Your shower is your personal spa, your getaway, your personal zen. A chance for you to enjoy a bit of luxury. From a morning shave to a facial, the Clarity fog-free shower mirror enhances your routine, providing you with a more comfortable, serene experience. Clarity gives you a flawless reflection every time. With an easy-to-install glass mirror, a large viewing area, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery, Clarity is unrivaled in the industry. Its seamless design will not only complement your home, but add to its elegance. The perfect combination of function and luxury, no matter what your bathroom design, the Clarity mirror will elevate your surroundings. We pride ourselves on using materials handmade in Minneapolis. Our high-quality mirror is finished off with polished, rounded corners and is UN and UL listed for safety. Clear up your morning routine and elevate your shower experience with the Clarity fog-free mirror. Visit www.clearmirror.com to see how you can make every day a spa day. Clearmirror. The difference is clear.